What's going on, traders? It's Tyler here. Today we're going to be talking about TRNX on the stock ticker. We'll be going over the 15-minute chart. We can see in pre-market this did not do much, but at market open we did pop up from about 44 cents, hit 51 cents before pulling back, and then we did manage to push ahead up to 54 cents, about a little higher than that. And we are sitting right about there in after hours rate at 53 cents, right below the moving average. As you can see, this shaded area is after hours. So let's go ahead and talk about why this would have popped up today. I did do a little research and I seen that they got a dividend. They've been granted an exclusive global license for all their patents. So they'll receive a 7% royalty on any revenue generated from the sale of gasification units or fuel products such as Magna Gas. So that's some good news, and that can be understandable why we jumped up today like that. So another thing we want to keep in mind that the share float is 78.14 million. It's higher than our optimum of 30 million, but that's okay. These stocks can still be volatile if they have the right amount of volume. Heavy volume can move any stock, right? So, but obviously the lower the share float, the less volume you need to move it, the more volatile it is. So anyways, let's get into this. You can see that we are above the VWAP. VWAP's sitting here at about 50 cents. So most people are above water, feeling good today. Let's go ahead and go over the technicals. We'll draw our support and resistance. We got our resistance up here at about 54.5 cents. And then we got our support down here. I don't know why I struggled to say that, my bad. 51 cents here for our support. We got our median sitting right in the middle at about 52.80 cents. Now let's go ahead and zoom in. Okay, let's go ahead and zoom in. Now what I'm going to be looking for tomorrow, I'm going to be looking for a bullish play. So what I want to see is basically, you can see that just pushed down just now in after hours. This is live, so the thing is we're probably going to just range in here for the rest of the after hours, and then pre-market tomorrow it'll probably start to make a move in a direction. But what I'm going to be looking for tomorrow, I'm going to be looking for the bullish play personally for me. So what I'm going to be looking for is I want to see that momentum to return, and I'm going to have an alert set here at 54.50. And once we do break there, then I'll be watching this stock. Once my alert goes off, next thing I'll be looking for is a retest off this 54.50. I want to see stabilization. I want to see level 2 looking good. I want to see no selling going on. Once we pull back, I want to see the selling stop, right? Because if the selling just continues, then we'll just continue back down. I want to see some sign, a big bullish buy, whatever the case may be. You need confluence. You can't just hop into the trade once you see a stop. You got to have other indicators, not indicators, but indications or confluence, with your trade. So once we have that confluence, we have that confirmation, and we see that we're not going to be moving lower. We have that stabilization. We got a bullish reversal candle, hammer, shooting star, whatever the case may be. And then what I do is I have my order above this pullback point, wherever that is. For this example, it would be here. So I set up my order so that way when we do rebound and that momentum returns, I don't miss the move, and I ride that momentum up to this next resistance up here at about 57.58 cents. So that's what I'm going to be looking for tomorrow, is I want to see this momentum return. The main level to watch is 54.50 cents. We want to see a break above there. We want to see a quick pullback. And then once we have that confluence, we get our order ready. For me, I'm getting my order ready. So when that momentum returns, I ride it up to this next resistance up here at about 58 cents. So pretty easy. That's what I'll be looking for. Now I know most people here are not shorting, which is absolutely fine. I'm personally not going to be shorting this one either. I'm not even going to be looking to short it. I'm going to be looking for this play tomorrow. But we will go ahead and talk about it because it's good to know what people to look out for for people who are shorting. And if you are shorting, then here's some advice, or not advice, here's some education for you of what I would do. What I'm going to be looking for is a break below this 51 cents. If I was shorting, I'd be looking for a break below that 51 cents. I'd have my alert set here. That way I know exactly when that happens. Most likely we'll find support off this VWAP, and either A, two things are going to happen. We're going to break back up because the support here is going to be strong enough, or we're going to pop up here. We're going to get rejected off this 51 cent area. The sellers are going to come back in strong. And what I would personally do is I'd have an order set. What I'm thinking is the VWAP will come in closer, but for me personally, I'd probably have it below the VWAP, just below the VWAP. Let's say that I should have had this here. I don't know what I was doing here. Again, so if it found support of the VWAP, next thing we want to look for is that retest of that 51 cents. And if you're shorting, again, what you'd want to see is a rejection here. You want to see bearish shooting star, bearish hammers, right? Red candles, and then big sells, not buys, right? Want to be watching level 2. So that way when this does push here, I'll have my order already ready below that pullback point, below the VWAP. So that way when it does push in that momentum, people start panic selling. I'd ride that momentum down to this next support down here at about 48 cents. So those are really the two moves that I'd be looking for tomorrow. We can already see it's trying to push down here a little bit, but my guess is we range in here. But again, the main two levels I watch for: bullish 54.50, bearish 51 cents. Definitely watch those two levels. I hope this video helped you. If it did, click that like button right away. Click subscribe so you get a new video every time I come up. So you get a notification every time I come with a new video. And share it with your buddies on StockTwits, Facebook, Twitter. I really appreciate it. All right, everybody, have a wonderful day.